Hello all, welcome back to our new class. Okay, so hope you all are fine and good. So let's start our session within the next few minutes. Okay, so we'll be sharp starting our session. We have the timing that 9:10 to 9:40. So today we'll be sharply starting at 9:10 and ending at 9:40. Okay. So today we'll be learning our chapter 4 simple coding tricks and some more programs. Okay. So you are very excited to do programs, yeah? So today I will be teaching you some simple coding tricks. But the simple coding tricks are not applicable for the exams and all. Okay. So this is just for knowledge. Okay. So that you can do that. Okay, just for making you all know that you all can do it. Okay, so today we'll be doing that. So hope at the last classes we have learned how to how to find average, simple interest, and we have done programming with rational operators. Okay, so that also we have done. Yeah, so that also we have done. So we have written a program to find the average of number, then program to find the simple inverse, and we have learned about rational operators. Okay, so we'll be in this class, we'll be learning some simple coding tricks and just revising the other programs, and we'll be just of all revising this and the equations and all. So that will be the things which we will be going to do today. Okay, so hope you all are ready with it, and let's start our session at 9:10. Okay, so let's start our session at 9:10. Okay, so let's start soon. So our batch has total 1048 students. So last class there was no assignment. Okay, right. So any doubts in the last class? You can ask now. Today we'll be teaching you one more programs. Let's learn it soon. Okay. So all are ready. So after every classes, you need to open our portal and try the programs. Okay. After every classes, you need to open our portal and try the programs. Okay. So I will be giving you the link. It's literally stuck. Sometimes it's happening. Don't worry, I will get link soon. Let's start Shama class at 9:10. Now it's 9:06. Okay, so this is the link. At the first class, I have said that how to open this the things and all. So if you doesn't know how to use the portal till now, you can open it and view. Okay, you can open it and see. So next classes. So someone is saying that can you teach how to Download Python? Yes, sure. In the next class, let's download this Python. Or today itself, I will teach you. Yeah, I will teach you today. Don't worry. First of all, may I delete all Python. Okay, so I will teach you how to download it and also. Okay, so downloading, but it requires internet connection. Okay, if we download also, so you does not require high CPU or etc. Because we are just downloading its light version. Light versions does not require any internet and all. Yeah, yeah. So one person have asked me, can you say more about light versions? That all we can say soon. If there is time at last, I will say about light versions. Okay, like light versions of every apps. I don't. It's a big topic to discuss. Okay, if there is time at last, we can discuss it. Okay, so don't worry. So if we get ready, we can start within 1 minute. So stream. So only 1 more minute left. Few seconds left to start our session. Now it's 9. At every Tuesday, Thursday, and Friday, 9. Okay, so hello all. Welcome back to our new class of this session. So in today's class, we will be learning about chapter 4, simple coding tricks and some more programs. Okay, so these things we will be going to learn on today's class. Okay, so hope you all are ready for it. So first of all, let's learn about one coding trick. Okay, one coding trick. So this is a coding trick. Trick to make a calculator. Okay, calculator. So calculator in Python. Okay, we'll be using calculator in Python. So there is a calculator in Python. Okay, there is a calculator in Python. To access it, you need to type this code. So I will be now giving you a code. If you use it, you can access that calculator, but it's only a trick and it cannot be used in exams and all. Okay. So now print bracket eval. It's a keyword. Okay. Print bracket eval. It's a trick to access the calculator and bracket input. Then after that, again a bracket and inverted quotes. Enter the expression. Okay, enter the expression and then closing it. Okay, so now let's run this. So I think it's a other version of Python. So we can't get it. Check it. the problem of this program. Okay, let's learn our coding trick. The next coding trick is the codes which we are learning now. The programs we can find sum of sum or difference or quotient or quotient or like that type of things in single line, in single line, but it cannot be used in exams. Okay, it cannot be used in exams and test. Okay, so you can't. So now let's do that. So for that, you only need to type one line, that is like this: print bracket the number 45 plus 67. Like within one line, we'll get the result. We don't have anything to type, but in case it cannot be used in exams or it's a unprofessional coding. Okay, so unprofessional coding. It's also called unprofessional coding. So you'll be doing professional codings. But it can be used in many times, like when we are programming a robot or etc. So this is a coding trick. Now the next thing is that how to install Python. How to install Python. Okay, so you all know that for coding preferred. So one person have asked in the last class also. Preferred browser is Microsoft Bing. Okay. So I am not. So this is a preferred browser for that, so that it can be used. In this, it will be more good. So if you install that, because programming, it will give more. It will give more good results. Okay. So more good result it will give. So and the step one which you need to do is you need to download. There is no this Bing in your system, you need to download it. Okay. For every coding software, it's preferred. And now, step one, open our portal. Open our portal. So now let's open our portal. I will say it first, then we can write. First step is to open our portal. So when we open the portal, next step is go to try Python tab, and when going there, you want to press on this three lines at top, then press on apps. You can see an option here, apps. When you press on the three dots, there is three dots at top. When you press it, you want to came down, and you can see that a apps icon. So install this site as an app. So when you point the cursor towards that, you can see this install the site as an app. Just press on it. So you can see that this site can be installed on application. It will open on the focus window. We can pin it to a quick bar for quick access. So just press on install. And the next step we should do is it will be installed. Okay, so like this. So here press on pin to taskbar and press create desktop shortcut. Okay, and press on allow. So that's all. Python is installed. Python not our learning platform has been also installed with it. So with that you can use our learning platform also. Okay. But when you open the Python window will come. Since our classes also you can see with this software. Okay, so when you download it, you can see our classes see like this. Okay, so like this you can see or watch the classes also. And this, and at here you can try the Python. So now we have installed its software. Now let's program. So one person have asked in this class. That's why I just said okay how to install it. So you'll be programming in websites itself. Okay, it will be more good. So next things which we'll be going to do is rational operators you have studied. Next time there are four types of operators and that all we'll be going to study. But before that we'll be going for some random programming questions. Okay, let's go for some random programming questions. Okay. So the first line let's do is find. Let's do more programs. Okay. So today I will be not typing the programs. Okay. It's just a quick revision till this class which we have learned. So you need to type the answers in the chat and the AI will verify it. Okay. You need to type the answers. Okay. So five. So first of all, let's do it. Okay. Then you can type. Write a program to find sum and difference. Going for some challenging programming questions. Okay. Challenge. So this type of questions, if you are going for any IT interviews or if you are going for any exams or etc., these types of questions will be asked more. Okay. So that's I'm teaching you it now. Okay. So now let's continue. So to find sum, to find the sum and sum, this full things write a program to find some difference, then quotient, then denominator, then the product. Product means the multiplied result. Okay. So these all things you should do some. You should product of two numbers. So these all things you should do in one program. Okay, so it's a challenging type question. Okay, so these things. Okay, this let's count it. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this five things you need to do in one program itself. Okay, the five things. Let's look at that again. Sum, difference, quotient, denominator, product. So this five things you need to find within in one line. Okay, these five things you need to find within one program. Okay, you should use only one program for getting the result of this all. So now let's try this. So first two lines are common, that a equal to int bracket input, then bracket inverted quotes, enter the first number. The next line, b equal to int bracket input bracket at inverted quotes enter the second number. And at last we have to close this. We need to close all the bracket as per the property. If we start a bracket, you should close it. As I have said the rules in the before classes, see, I will show it. See, in the before classes we have discussed about its rule. See, where is it? Where is it? Where is it? See here the rule. When we start a bracket, we should close it. Okay. When we start a bracket, we should close it. It's a compulsory rule. Otherwise, your program will error. Okay. So next thing, the first thing which is asked is what? Sum. Yeah. So So next we will be using a variable c. C equal to a plus b. And the second thing which is asked is what? Difference, yeah. So D equal to, so let's give the variable, the names, okay. We can give like sum, okay, sum also. You can give the names, sum equal to, like you can give A, B, C, or you can use C also there. But at the position of this first A, you can use num1, like anything we can use, okay, no problem. It does not matter. So you can use anything there, okay. So no need to think about it. So sum equal to, I write it because to avoid confusion, but you prefer to writing this variables, then we can use variables itself. C equal to A plus B. Now let's use the tag called sum, okay, it will be more good. Sum equal to A plus B, then diff difference equal to. So now let's use the tags, okay. A, B, C, okay, C equal to A plus B. Next thing, you can use that also, okay. D equal to, then D equal to, second thing is that difference, yeah, not B, D. D equal to A minus B, and it's E equal to, next is the product, yeah. So A into B. Next thing, F. So next F. So next which is asked is to find the denominator and quotient. So next let's do about quotient. A by B divided result. Then at the next line you will type G equal to, so the reminder is this symbol. So that module symbols, this symbol, a percentage symbol is used. And at next line, print bracket at inverted quotes, the sum is, and then a comma, then C. Okay, so the sum is done. Next thing, print bracket at inverted quotes, the difference is, and then a comma, so D is the difference. Next thing, print, then this D, okay, print bracket at the inverted quotes, the product is, and then again a comma, E, then print bracket at inverted quotes, the uh, the quotient, means sum, addition, difference, subtraction, product multiplication, quotient, division. Okay, and a comma, that will be F. Next line, print, bracket, inverted quotes, the remainder is, and then a comma, G. Okay, so our program is done. So this is the program to do that. Now let's run. I'm entering two numbers like 65, 54. I press the enter key. I restarted. Sometimes the internet might be slow. 54, 21. See this? We have got the result. The sum is 75. The difference is 33. The product is 1134. The quotient is 2.5714285714285716, and the remainder is 12. So this is the program to find this all things in one program. Okay, so these are the some challenging type questions. These questions can be asked in interviews and all. So this is the program. Okay, so the next thing which we could do is first one, second one, write a program to next. Let's do in what topic is spending average or so. Let's do it. Okay, so next thing let's do is first of all write a program to find write a program to find area and perimeter of a uh, area and perimeter or circumference of no area and perimeter of triangle, square and rectangle. Okay, so it's some challenging type problems. Okay, let's do this. So while doing this type of things, there are two advantages. One thing is that you can learn it well. The second thing is that your IQ level will increase. Okay, so let's do A equal to int bracket input bracket inverted quotes enter the area enter. So as we have done in the previous programs, see this. So as we have done in the previous programs, enter the height and length. Okay, enter the height and length. Okay, enter the height and length. Enter the height. At the next line, b equal to int bracket input and again a bracket at inverted quotes enter the breadth and next of all C int bracket input and again a bracket at inverted quotes enter the enter the measurement of the left side of the remaining side of triangle. Okay, so that's all. Next thing is that we should note all the equations. So now let's note all the equations. So the first equation. So the first equation which we will be doing is rectangle. So rectangle, it's L into B and perimeter. So that we have done. First of all, let's do it. So rectangle is that. Next thing, square. So squares is this. And at next, triangle. Area and perimeter of the triangle. Okay, so this is the things. So now let's continue. So continuing this. So at here, the first thing which you need to find is rectangle. So that is L into B. So we will not be giving L into B or etc. So we will be first of all giving. So next thing, D equal to L into B. Length into breadth is equal to under the length. Okay, let's see under the length. So D equal to A into B. So that's okay. Next thing, E equal to. So the first thing is over. Next thing, perimeter is 2 into L plus B. So you'll be giving 2 into A into B. 2 into A into B. 2 into A into B. Let's put them on a bracket. Next thing, F equal to. So the area and perimeter of a square is this. Of a rectangle is that. Now square. So that is um, F equal to A. So S into 2. S square is it. So S into 2. G equal to next thing 4S. 4 into S. 4 into S. Okay, so that's all. Next thing, triangle is half BH 1 by A, B, C, D, F, G, H equal to half. So it's better let's find the area. Okay, area of all the things. Because two things will come, will be more. So like this, you need to do. So first of all, let's go to rectangle area. So that D equal to. So the area of the rectangle, as you all know that, it's L into B. So we will be putting A into B. And next E equal to area of a square. So E equal to area of a square. That is 2S. 2 sides. Yeah. 2 into A. Okay. 2 into side will be 2 2 power side. Okay, 2 power side. Next thing, F equal to area of a triangle half into B into H. Half into B into H. So now let's run this. 8. Oh, we doesn't hear the print tag. Let's stop this. Print bracket. First we have given us rectangle. Yeah. The at inverted codes, the area of rectangle is, and after that a comma D, and at the next line print bracket inside the inverted codes the area of square is, and after that a comma E, then print bracket inverted codes the area of triangle is, and then a comma F. So that's all. Now let's run. 8, 9, 4. So at here X is not defined. D, E, F. Okay friends, so we doesn't not require this line. So let's cut that. C is not defined there. Now let's rerun. 8, 5. Okay, so we need to put them in bracket. Okay, so this is the answer. So now you have got it. So this is the program for that. Okay. So this all are the main challenging type questions. So challenging type questions, majority will get error. Okay. So but some persons can get it correct. Okay. So now let's do some more programs. So now it's the time to wind up. So hope you all have enjoyed today's session. So thank thank you and have a nice day.